Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure legal aid services with Legal Services Corporation. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure legal aid services with the Legal Services Corporation, begin by visiting the official website. Navigate to the resources section found on the homepage. Look for the link related to legal aid services. Click on it to access the relevant materials and guidelines. Download the Legal Aid Program Configuration Guide. Read through the guide carefully to understand the requirements. Gather all necessary documentation required for the application process. Ensure you have a valid organization name and contact information. Prepare your organizational mission statement to demonstrate your purpose. Identify the geographic area your legal aid services will cover. Compile data on the demographics of the population you intend to serve. Create a detailed plan outlining the types of legal services you will provide. Prepare a budget proposal reflecting projected expenses and funding sources. Draft job descriptions for the staff you plan to employ. Submit your application through the online portal specified in the guide. Ensure all documents are uploaded accurately according to the instructions. Review your application for any errors or missing information. Once submitted, await confirmation of your application receipt. Monitor your email for updates or requests for additional information. Prepare for any interviews or follow-up discussions about your application. Once approved, set up your operational processes according to the guidelines. Engage with local communities to promote your new services. Regularly evaluate your programs to ensure compliance and effectiveness. Stay updated with the Legal Services Corporation for any changes in policies or additional resources. Document your progress and challenges to refine your services over time. Celebrate the launch of your legal aid services and the support you can provide. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.